there and welcome. My name is Ashley. I am a Chub Club representative and a beautiful plus size fashionista. I do lots of plus size fashion hauls and try-ons here on my channel, as well as a bit of beauty. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my family. I would love for you to do that. And if you are a returning member of the Chub Club, welcome. And let's jump into this video. So today I have a fun video for you guys. Today I am filming inside the dressing room, but I have the footage of me inside the dressing room, but I got a kind of intro and an outro, so here I am doing that. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I always feel like I have to make sure you guys are having a wonderful day. If you are, let me know down below what's up. I mean, the weather today is beautiful. I don't know when you'll be seeing this, but it's beautiful today. And yeah, so I went to H&M and American Eagle, and I tried on a couple items. Had some success, some not so good success, but I was really searching for some crop tops. If you've watched my previous video where I showed you how I style white jeans for us plus size women, I styled a pair of white denim overalls with different shirts and such, and a few of the shirts that I picked up during the shopping trip was featured there. So you want to go and check that out. I'll have it here in the notes for you. But yeah, let's just see what I found. There's some crazy stuff, and I will do a voiceover for this, so keep that in mind, and I hope you enjoy. All
right, so here's the first outfit that I tried at H&M. It was a two-piece, the bottom and the top. The shorts were super short. They fit, but super tight, and weren't comfortable at all, just because of how short they were. The top was really cute. I actually did like it, but I left it behind because, I don't know, I wasn't totally sold on it. Then we have this guy. This was some sort of dress. I think it's more of a bathing suit cover-up maybe, because you will see it's quite see-through. But it does cinch in on the waist. You can tie it up, or you can have it flowy like this. There was a little bit of the button popping going on around my belly area there, but it was cute, and I wasn't so sold on it though. I don't know. There you go, you can see my underwear. But I wasn't sold on it. It was all whatever. Here we got a crop top. Guys, we got lots of crop tops in this. So here's a cute crop top. I really did like this. However, I wasn't falling totally head over heels over it. It was just whatever. But I did really like it. I thought it was really cute. And then there was this. I thought this was cute. It gave off super like racetrack vibes, which was cool. But I figured it was kind of more of a fall, spring kind of material, heavier material, so not so good for this time of the year. So here we go with this red crop top and these shorts. I did like the shorts. They were comfortable, however they were too short for me, but I kept them on during the try-ons. And this crop top was cute, but I was looking for a red. But I didn't like the how much of my arms it was showing, like the way it went there in the front, and it would have been hard to find a bra to go with it. This one here is I want to say basketball jersey, but it's more of like a mesh top, I guess. And it was really cute. However, I wish it was a little more loose on me, and it was fairly tight, as you can see. So I have an Adidas shirt similar to this, so I passed this one up. This one, it just didn't fit right. It was just super tight on me. I wanted to see how the whole little tie at the front would look, and I think if the size was right, it would have fit really nicely and I would have liked it, but the fit just wasn't right for me. This one I went home with, and I think you've seen this in a few of my videos. So this was really cute. It was just a simple shirt, crop top shirt, I guess. And I liked it, and it was really comfortable, and I think it's nice paired with high-waisted jeans, high-waisted shorts, overalls, lots of different things. This one I liked so much that I had to dance a little bit. Like, I loved it. However, I didn't purchase it, but I really liked the material, and it was more of like a sweaterish material with a hood there, and I did really like this. This, I don't know, I kind of like this now looking at the try-on, but I don't know, it just gave me Little Bo Peep vibes, so I didn't know what I would pair it with really. So now we're on to American Eagle, and here I am in this lovely romper. I loved this romper. I really wanted to purchase it, however, it was a steep price of $70, and I thought I couldn't do that to myself. I've seen a similar one on Romwe, and I've considered it, but I really liked the fit. It just looked right, and I have a hard time with rompers, so I'm still kind of trying to keep an eye on it, and if it goes on sale, I'll grab it. The embroidery is so beautiful on it, and that's probably half the reason why it's so expensive. Oh, I love it. So this one was a no-no. I didn't like how it fit around my stomach area, and the shorts were a little too short for me. So, but it was cute. I liked the whole concept of kind of off the shoulder, and yeah, it was a cute one, but it wasn't for me. It was really beautiful too, with some embroidery around it. I really like that touch. Okay, now this is just a complete joke. Like, I feel like a pregnant grandmother, if that even is a thing. Like, I just felt so strange in this, and I don't know. I think I saw Sarah Ray Vargas try it on, and it looked good on her, but oh my god, it did not suit me at all. Okay, now what is going on here? This romper was super cute. However, it was like, I think there was a little clasp I could unclasp, but then I'd be completely exposed. And like this, I just look hilarious. I think these are made for girls with small busts, not anything past a C. It was cute, and I liked the fit. I just did not like the fit of the front there. Didn't work at all. And then this one was even worse. Like, you can see how bad this one was. The other one wasn't as pulling as much, I guess, at the chest, where this one is. So of course this was a no-no as well. I guess you could do something like this with a cami underneath or a bandeau or something, but what's the point, right? Yeah, not working at all.
So that completes it. I hope you enjoyed that. Weren't some of those rompers just hilarious? Like, I can't believe it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And remember, if you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I would love to have you here as part of my YouTube family. And if you love Inside the Dressing Rooms, why not thumbs up the video and give me some love? Also, make sure you comment down below where you want me to go and do my next Inside the Dressing Room. I would love to hear what you guys want to see. So let me know down below. I am in Canada, so keep that in mind. I can't go to certain places. But anywhere in Canada that I can go, I will go. Anyways, so this completes my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will talk to you real soon in my next video. I love you so, so, so very much. And yeah, bye for now. Alright, so please make sure to thumbs up this video for more videos to come. Click on the left hand side if you'd like to subscribe, and on the right hand side you can click to watch my latest video.